Conversation 1. Hey, Sarah, can you drive me to the airport tomorrow?
I can't do that, Tom. I don't know how to drive.
Really? You don't know how to drive?
No, I never learned how. I was always scared of learning how to drive.
Scared? Why were you scared?
Because cars go fast and the roads are busy. It seemed hard.
Yes, but driving can be very useful.
Yes, I know. Sometimes I do wish I could drive.
You still have time to learn how to drive.
I think I'm too old to learn now.
You're not too old. Anyone can learn to drive.
Really? Do you think so?
Yes, it's never too late to learn.
That's true. And it is annoying to always ride the bus or the train.
Exactly. So will you think about learning to drive?
I will think about it. It could be good. But it's still a bit scary.
It's okay to be scared, but I think you can do it.
Thank you. That makes me feel better. Maybe I will try.
Good. I'm happy to hear that. Let me know when you start learning.
I will let you know, Tom.
Good luck. Continue learning English. Click on this video here. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and practice your English in the comments below.